Shani everyone, Moli Shani. My name is Parthasarathi Ghosh. Are you a small business owner? Are you struggling to have your customers reach your services and products? Are you having a difficult time creating more brand awareness for your company? I have worked with more than 100 big and small companies across US, UK, Australia, Asia, and right now Africa. I'm helping multiple companies in Africa grow and reach their fullest potential. For this, I have created a comprehensive 4-hour workshop for marketing for entrepreneurs. This covers the 7 basic techniques of marketing. How do you identify your unique selling proposition? And how do you identify your target customers? This is at a special rate of $5 for now through our channel partner ZamSave Capital Access. Looking forward to see you all and click on the link in the description. Thank you.